This is the elevator here at Dundas Subway Station in Toronto. This will go from the Eaton Centre down to we will go from the Eaton Centre down to Dundas Station. Get our top view going down. It's just your basic mall elevator. It's nothing too exciting, but it's pretty nice. Has glass doors. There's Mr. Security. Go to 3. Door close does not work on this elevator. We're gonna watch the indicator. And we're stopping. Going up. Got the door for you. You're welcome. Free. Got the door for you. Okay, there it goes, and that's it.